As part of our automation enhancements in Revit, we've introduced a toolbar that allows users to identify the wall alignment issue. Let's jump into Revit. Click Wall Alignment push button. Select Analyze Alignment. Then select a reference level. Then select the level which you want to check, and after that select Comparison Method, whether you want to check with centerline, exterior face, or interior face. After selecting, you will notice we have found that one wall is misaligned with our reference level, which are highlighting with solid red color. Then we'll align with a manually approach. Now we can see walls are aligned with the reference level. And for material override, we can again click on Wall Alignment button. Here we'll have a clear highlights. Let's check again, do we have any misalignment wall in our project? We'll go with the same references. Here you can see we do not have any wall misaligned. Thanks for watching.